What did he just do right there? Boy, that made my ankle hurt. I'm gonna go ahead and be honest with you. I was gonna watch the audio to this first, but the Michael Jackson video just be absolutely next level, and I'm pretty sure y'all probably gonna want to watch a performance with this as well. But there we have Human Nature by the legend Michael Jackson. If y'all haven't been seeing my recent Michael Jackson reactions, I kind of been dabbling into that rabbit hole a little bit, but we kind of feeling around a little bit. Let me know what songs y'all want to hear. Please leave them down below in the comment section, and don't forget to follow my Patreon, because y'all are missing out on early access uploads, man. We uploading over there every day, you know, 3 to 4 videos. So please go follow my Patreon. Prices drop. Let's get straight into it. Hey, beautiful. What's your name?
Won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite.
If this town is just an apple, let me take a bite. He's talking about New York City, the Big Apple. That's the only thing I can think of. Michael Jackson, boy, you a smooth man. Got everybody dancing in the video. Let me go and run it back just a good little bit right here so I can catch them dancing.
It's a sleepless eye. Yeah, always
Stand it for a second.
shake my window. Sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime. For walls won't hold me tonight.
Come on.
If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why?
This song, like how everybody's dancing and moving out, it just feels like freedom, like you just spreading your wings and you're just flying away. This is what I like about Michael Jackson's songs, because it's not just music, it's almost like an experience, kind of like how Pink Floyd and like Prince and all those other artists are. This is just like whole experience. Like if you just close your eyes and listen to the lyrics, you just, you know, you're taken away.
Tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do it that way? Reaching out, touch a stranger.
Come on.
Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare.
Boy, smooth, boy.
If they say why, stop.
Huh? What did he just do right there? Boy, that made my ankle hurt.
I stare. If they say why, stop them, that is human nature. Why does they do it that way? If they say why,
Hey,
stop them, that is human nature.
that's cowboy boots.
Does he do it that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way.
Come on, horns.
That way.
You know what? Didn't Chris Brown sample this on She Ain't You? Because I remember this part of the song, like the beat and the vocals being in that song. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. Let me find out stats. Kind of catching some stuff. Yeah.
Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out,
Let's go.
I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of a street. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them why does he do it that way? If they say
I'm telling you, bro, like, how are their joints so good, man, to be breaking down like that? They breaking down more than a fraction. What? Ooh, splits. Okay. He's showing his ass. Come on, Moonwalk. One thing about that damn MJ, man, he gonna get up there and show his ass, boy. Hey, banger song right here. Like I said, man, it's just like, why are people so judgmental? We are all humans. If people ask you why you do something, just tell them it's human nature. You can just send them the link to this song right here. Why did Stacks React go almost a month without uploading this human nature? I was going through some shit. Stuff like that, man. Just, you can connect it to almost anything, man. But great song right here. This is why his songs will never die, because they connect with us on a more personalized level. I'm out of here. And don't forget to comment a song you want to see me react to.